Two simple kitchen spices can make a big difference in your garden. Today, I'll show you how black pepper and turmeric protect your plants. First, take a liter of water in jug and mix in 1 spoon of turmeric and 1 spoon of black pepper. Pour this mixture around the roots. Turmeric fights fungus and bacteria, while black pepper drives away ants, snails, and harmful pests. Sprinkle a little of both powders directly around the plant base. This keeps insects away and creates a natural shield. Together, these spices keep soil healthy, protect roots, and help plants grow fresh and strong. So next time, skip the chemicals and try black pepper with turmeric. Safe, simple, and effective. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening hacks.